Let us provide a solution to this word problem question leading to quadratic equation. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 centimeters more than the shortest side. The third side is 3 centimeters more than the shortest side. We're asked to find the length of the shortest side. First of all, let us sketch a right triangle. This is a right triangle. One of the interior angles equals 90 degrees. So let's assume this is the shortest side. Let me call it X. According to the question, the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is 6 centimeters more than this. So the hypotenuse will be 6 plus X, or X plus 6, all the same. Then the third side, which is this one, is 3 centimeters more than the shortest side. So this is 3 plus X. According to Pythagoras Theorem, it stated that this squared plus this squared is equal to this squared. So therefore, 3 plus X squared plus X squared is equal to 6 plus X also squared. Right. Let's expand the left-hand side. First time squared is going to give us 9. 2 times 3, 6 times X is 6X. Then X squared plus another X squared. Then you move to the other side. 6 squared is 36 plus 2 times 6 times X, 12X. X squared. We are done with the expansion. Then let us collect the like terms. X squared plus X squared is 2X squared. If this one crosses over, it becomes negative. That is 2X squared minus X squared is just X squared. Then thus with X, I have 6X here. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 12X. 6 minus 12 is negative 6X. Then the constants, we have 9 here, we have 36 here. If 36 crosses over, it becomes negative. 9 minus 36 is negative 27, and everything equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, x squared minus 6x minus 27. Two numbers you can multiply together to get negative 27 and add to negative 6 are 9 and 30, right? But which one? This is negative. Negative 9, positive 3. If you multiply, you get this. If you add, you get this. So to factorize this, we have x minus 9 multiplied by what? X plus 3. Everything equal to 0. If you solve this by taking the constants to the right, we have x either equal to 9 or x equal to negative 3. But remember, x value is a side length and all side lengths are positive, and hence the only valid value of x is 9. So what conclusion can we derive here? Therefore, the shortest side, which we are looking for, is what? 9 centimeters. And this is said to be the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Peace.